UPWELL inflatable stand-up paddle board with sub-accessories including backpack, repair kits, non-slip deck, kayak seat, leash, 3 fins, paddle and hand pump. Hi, welcome my friend. UPWELL paddleboard inflatable subboards adopt light and strong PVC plus super hard carbon fiber material. Resistant to seawater corrosion and the impact of huge waves, inflatable subboards are unbreakable. The removable fin, 3-piece aluminum paddle and included travel bag provides convenient storage and transport. The professional and scientific design enables UPWELL inflatable subboards to bear the weight of 350 pounds, perfect for fishing, surfing, traveling, or racing row. Enjoy the passion of surfing happily. 1 large fin and 2 fixed panel fins help to maintain stability and control direction. The larger fin is detachable and easy to install. We provide large capacity and durable material backpacks for you to store your board and accessories. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.